Are you ready for the webinar? Biogas to Energy by Euroasiatic and Organics, two of the world's leading companies in waste gas management. We'll be discussing the benefits of using gas engines for the generation of power using biogas generated either from landfill sites or anaerobic digesters. You will have the opportunity to learn about Jenbacher, one of the world-leading gas engine manufacturer, biogas generation and control, use of biogas as a fuel, how to process biogas for gas engine, case studies from Euroasiatic and Organics, and more. Click the button below for registration now.